So yeah, I've been gone. Haven't posted, haven't dropped anything, haven't sewn in a minute. No story post, no updates, just silence. This video is just me explaining what actually happened.
Session 10. Breakthrough.
March hit hard. I didn't ease into burnout. I fell straight on my ass. No sugarcoating it. I was just sitting around, doing nothing, scrolling too much, thinking too much. Didn't touch a sewing machine, didn't sketch, didn't design. I was watching everything move without me, and I felt like a bum. I kept thinking I should be doing something. Like I had a brand, I had momentum, why am I wasting it? But the more I tried to force myself to work, the more I shut down. Everything just felt stale. I didn't want to make content. I had no idea where I was going with any of it. I'd open my sketchbook, stare at a blank page, close it. I would open Clo, mess around with a cube, close it. Tried to make mood boards, thought about TikTok ideas, even tried to cut into a pair of jeans. Nothing felt right. It all felt like noise. I was chasing what I used to do instead of figuring out what I want to do. And that was just the block. I wasn't creating anything I actually believed in, just trying to get back into something that already passed. Recently though, I stopped putting pressure on it. I opened Clo just to mess around, no goal, no plan. I started building a bag, nothing crazy, just playing around with the structure, layering pieces, following a tutorial, just trying to get the right shape. It's not even done yet, but that little bit of momentum has pushed me. The bag project gave me something to work toward. I started waking up with ideas again. Started sketching again, playing with the fabric, even thinking about a fresh drop could like. Started sketching again, playing around with the fabric, even thinking about what a fresh drop would look like. I mean, there's just no pressure, just flow. That's when I knew I was slowly getting back into it. Freshly got a haircut as well. Changed myself, changed my whole identity and how I'm gonna reset the brand. I realized I don't need to bring the brand back. I need to rebuild it from the ground up. But this time around, what I actually like: baggy structure, weird silhouettes, minimal branding, real craftsmanship. It's not just trends. Whatever it may be, just making what I want to wear, doing what I want to do. So I cleared everything. No deadlines, no forced drops, no TikToks, just real projects. Design something, build it, post if it's fire, drop it when it's ready. That's the vibe now. I'm not forcing any of it, just reviews. I'm doing what I actually want to do. Right now, I got 3 ideas I'm building out. One is the bag I was talking about earlier. It's still not done, but I'm learning as I go with it. And I'm thinking of making a bag where I use my scrap denim fabrics and make it into a bag so I can use it in the real life, kind of like a duffel bag. The second is kind of a bleach layered pattern pant. Using bleach, maybe even starting to stay away from bleach, looking at different ideas. I wanna craft my own real thing where I can mass produce it. I want to start making things that I like. I want more texture. I want almost a chaotic. I want something that feels like me. I want to be able to look at something and see the texture in it, and look at the fabric manipulation and learn more fabric manipulation so I can become better as a designer. And my third right now is doing patchwork. So I was looking into doing some pieces inspired by Fordite, which is kind of how a marble is shaped. I'm trying to do some layered patchwork, some layered designs. I have a lot of spare fabric that I need to get rid of, so I'm looking at my options really. Everything is one of one, no bulk drops at the moment, but I'm thinking of it in the future. But it's just collections, just real slow make. Before I go all in this new wave though, I'm cleaning my house. I've got leftover jeans stacked up. I'm cleaning myself out. Like I said, I got a new haircut. I don't have my curls no more. I got pieces I haven't touched in months. So I'm going through it, all of it. Trying to retouch some items, make some better, alter the others. Starting fresh, using all the denim fabrics I have. Sorting my materials, reorganizing the place. I'm gonna take the jeans I've already got, flip them into something, and give them away for free. Whether that's friends, followers, giveaway. That's how I want to start this new chapter. Just a clean energy, new ideas, no clutter, nothing holding me back. I'm turning this into a full series. Every step, planning on the whiteboard, sewing, glow experiments, fails, fit test, all of it. If you've been watching me from the beginning, you'll get to see the full process of this timeline. If you're new, you'll get to see what I'm building a brand from scratch actually looks like. This is ShakJac from the Fresh. Not to chase real hype, not to go viral, just to make clothes that actually mean something. And if you're still watching, I appreciate you. But it's time to work now. And I gotta work.